My people, wonder shall never end. It don't happen again. It don't settle. Not be small matter. As I dey talk to Nana, Ekelebe don package James Brown gang go, my people. No be small something. No, make una carry una jokote sit that come listen. Make una come watch this one. Only my eye know if you watch her, my people. Make una come see as Ekelebe take package James Brown the gang, Bobrisky the gang. No be small something, no. And the one wey come shock me be say that they do wedding, oh my people. I don't know wetin this life they turn it into, my people. I not gonna understand. Ekelebe go bust them for Delta State, oh. As they wed themselves, almost 100 people. Now Ekelebe come package, they come carry them go kirikiri. Thank God say James Brown escape this one and Bobrisky, my people. No be small something, no. As I cross this video of all these gay people, my people, I watch up to lies, oh. They many every day. What I want talk be say the women who go marry them again. All this lady who una dey leave them for, who go marry them? Wetin come dey happen? I don't know wetin come dey happen. My people, things they happen, oh, honestly. May you not come be say I too talk, I go leave on Mona for watch the video where Ekelebe for package all of them. Now James Brown can't escape and Bobrisky. Make una watch the full video.
Who is the bride? Who's the groom?
This is the bride.
Who is the bride?
This is the groom.
Easy. It's your microphone. Bend down some more, now your hand.
I came for an event in Warri here for a fashion show. And luckily to me, while I was going for an event, while dressed up, I wanted to perform on stage for modeling event. On my way going to the event, some police people attacked me and took me here to the police station.
Are you a male or a female?
I'm a male.
Then why are you dressed like a female? Just tell us.
I dressed as a female because I'm a model. I wanted to perform on stage.
If I may ask you, as an actor, you're supposed to dress at the venue, not outside the venue. So what exactly changed?
Okay. I was supposed to dress at the venue because the venue's hotel, everything is occupied. So I have to go and lodge in another hotel close to the hotel. That's why
So how do you feel being paraded today, and how do you feel with the offense that they said you committed against the law?
Good. They said I've committed an offense while dressed like this, but I don't know if a cross-dressing is an offense. If it's against the constitution of the land, I have not seen it.
Are you a gay?
I'm not a gay.
Were you aware that the event in question is gay related?
No, the event requested was an all-white party.
Look at the camera. You are drunk.
He was trying to.
The audible speak louder.
I was drunk that day.
Talk louder.
I was very drunk. I don't know what. I said, stop. That's all I said because I was very drunk.
What was the person do to you that you say stop? Just rule. Go on talking.
He was having
So where's your fashion base? What's the name of your company? And you do all of the makeup or what is it?
I work, I advertise this kind of thing. Whenever I can advertise to me, whatever agency meets me, I want to advertise my children, that's what I'm doing. So when I came, I was sent an invite on Instagram to attend this award any party. Now they are offered an award if I attend this party. That was what they told me. So which they paid
Dressing the way you're dressing.
the chance to come and ask me that so room is additional for a meal. Because I for some place for everything was paid for. I'm coming and request I did. So when I came to the event, everything they promised me was they did everything. So after the meeting, they provided this to me. for my ground. All these things for my ground.
Go sit down. Go sit down.
So, as I was at the event, I came outside. Then they were hosting a party there. I was not at the party or where they were hosting the party. I was at the reception of the hotel.
But were you aware that it's a gay relation party? Because the police said there's a video of a gay wedding that was going on.
I was not at the event. I was not ready to start. I was in the party and which I was told to cover an award. As I came,
Wait, is it in your, to you, went for an award? Is this the way to dress?
the person invited for this show clearly stated that I should come and they are inviting me to come and me. So I should consider I'm a model and I can advertise any kind of thing. I should come and advertise.
No, that you should dress this way.
In a female attire. If they
You
can
should dress in a female attire.
Yes.
Is it your wedding dress?
No.
What's your name?
My name is Daniel Pius.
Okay. What are you dressed like this?
Okay, I'm a fashion designer. So a friend of mine invited me to the party. So I was told to showcase my outfit today. So I'm not a cross-dresser. I didn't make up. I didn't put on anything related to female attire. So the only thing that was corresponding to a female attire was on my hand, and it's fashion. It's all over everywhere because most of my outfit I took it from an Instagram fashion designer. The orange, you can go to this page and you can search for it. Yes. So I took most of the ideas there so that I can use to sew and to showcase because I'm a fashion designer.
For an all-night show.
Sorry?
For an all-night show.
Online.
An all-night show.
Okay. Online show.
It's a fashion display in an all-night event.
Yes.
With only male.
No, not only male. Generally, both genders, male and female. Sorry?
Why this thing worry? You still worry here?
Yes, I'm still worried, but not in worry basically. I stay in Accra.
Where is your
Okay,
office?
it's in Accra.
No problem.
Thank you.
I am from Delta State. I grew up in Uganda and I live in I grew up in Uganda and I live in Uganda.
So what happened?
My friend invited me to a all-white party at Warri, and when I went there was doing award. After the award, well, like there was this one, before that police come to the party ground and start to arrest someone, and I don't know where to hide. And I come to them so that they can arrest because I don't have anything to prove that I'm not among of them.
Okay. They said that you are the man that had sex with others. Is it true or false?
Yes.
So why do you always have sex with other men? Tell us.
Because that is what I belong to.
Are you a gay?
Yes.
How long have you been in gay?
4 years now.
How did you start?
I started I used to like
So are you regretting being parented?
Yes, I'm so regretted and I'm so disgraced with my family. My family don't know about that I'm a gay. I was so regret. For the first
What's your name?
Wait.
okay, so tell us 1 minute.
Your name again? Your name again? My name is Imon. And one of my friends told me say I should come and take you some food. So I got to night tell me say I should come and take you.
Hello? We are coming.
My people, shey una don watch the video. No be small something oh. Things are really happening. The women now, who they come dey leave them for, who go marry them, who go put them for house, as all these men now they don talk to another thing. Wetin come dey happen for obodo Naija? The one wey come shock me be say Bobrisky escape this one, James Brown escape this one. Na im dey come kpake all these people, my people. No be one, no be two, 100. The women now who go come marry the ladies now, I no come know again. I no know wetin come dey happen for obodo Naija. Whether they use this one take dey hustle, they go get the kind house when Bobrisky get to, whether na audio house, I no understand. And James Brown, I no understand whether na real money na im dey make or na im dey show us for internet. Una know say all this internet of a thing, na audio life na im most of them dey live. Una understand? Now boys don finish for house, my people. They don turn themselves to another thing. The ladies now who go marry them, na im be the wahala now. Na im be the problem, na im be main problem. Things dey happen oh. This one so na Delta State, na im this one for happen.